Hello. Now that your dental appointment has been fixed at 32 Smiles, we request you to kindly go through this video for a set of instructions for a smooth and safe dental appointment. Please ensure that before coming to the clinic, you have already had a video or a teleconsultation with the doctors at 32 Smiles. Once you have received a confirmation call, please be on time for your appointment to avoid rush and waiting time in the clinic. Kindly do not stop anywhere on the way and please come directly from your home to the clinic. Please have some snacks 1 hour before the appointment. Please carry your mask at all times and wear it continuously. Please give a proper travel history to containment zone or contact history with anyone from family suffering from cough, cold or fever. Please avoid bringing anyone along with you. If anybody has to come with you, please ensure that they are seated outside the clinic or downstairs and not inside the clinic. Please avoid carrying or carry minimal personal belongings like purses, bags, jewelry, etc. You can keep them in your vehicle. Please carry 2 pairs of fresh napkins and a sanitizer with you at all times. Please carry your own water bottle. Avoid using the clinic washroom. Please make cashless payments and make arrangements for it prior. Please avoid touching anything unnecessarily once you enter our premises. Kindly inform us well in advance in case of any cancellation of appointments. Please carry 1 pen with you. Kindly brush your teeth for 2 minutes before coming to clinic. After going back home, kindly put the clothes that you were wearing in a bucket of soap water and take a warm water bath immediately. Kindly follow all the above instructions and cooperate with us. We are following all the protocols for a best and safe dental treatment.